the watch.
Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 34 in effect until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. Following counties in the listening area: in Arkansas, Benton, Carroll, Crawford, Franklin, Madison, and Washington; in Kansas, Labette and Montgomery; in Missouri, Berry and McDonald; in Oklahoma, Adair, Cherokee, Craig, Delaware, McIntosh, Mays, Muskogee, Nowata, Okmulgee, Ottawa, Rogers, Sequoia, Tulsa, Wagoner, and Washington. A severe thunderstorm watch means conditions are favorable for severe weather in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be alert for threatening weather conditions and listen to later statements and possible warnings.